Open up the piano and let's play What an Awesome God by Wickham. Hi friends, I'm Patrina. Now before we break it down step by step, here is a quick demo, and by the end of this lesson, you will be able to play too. First chord D major, up to A major. Change E, F sharp minor, back to D. Go to A, to E, F sharp minor. Alright, let's get started. Now first, I will show you the key of this song and which black keys we will be using. This song's in the key of A major. There's a total of 3 black keys. There's a F sharp, C sharp, as well as a G sharp. So later on when you're playing the chords, you'll be able to see these 3 black keys happening. Alright, there's a total of 4 chords for this song. The first chord we have an A major. We're going to have our thumb on D, finger 3 on F sharp, finger 5 on A. Left hand, we're going to go 2 octaves down, low D. This is our D major chord. Next chord, we have an A major chord. I'm going to keep my right hand, finger 5, A remains. Finger 2, I'm going to activate an E. And for my thumb, I'm going to activate a C sharp. Okay, left hand, I have a A. Okay, this is a A major in the first inversion. Okay, slightly a different kind of A major, but I decided to use this position so that it feels smooth from our D. Next chord, we have an E major where I'm going to have our right hand thumb going down to B, finger 2 on E, finger 4 on G sharp, left hand activate finger 4 on E major. Okay, so this is a second inversion of E major. I chose this position so that it moves and feels smoother from the previous chord. Next chord, we have an F sharp minor. I'm going to have my thumb up on C sharp, finger 3 on F sharp, and finger 5 on A. Finger 3 left hand on F sharp. This is our F sharp minor chord. And towards the end, I have 2 new chords. The first chord, I have a B minor. I'm going to have my thumb on B, finger 2 on D, finger 4 on F sharp, my left hand thumb on B. This is our B minor. And the next chord, I have a C sharp minor. I'm just going to move straight up to the root position, C sharp, E, G sharp, left hand C sharp. This is our C sharp minor. Here are all the chords you need for this song. Take a moment to pause and practice switching between them until it feels smooth for your playing. If you would like to understand the formula behind major and minor chords, be sure to check out my piano chords video, link below. And if you would like a printable version of this chord sheet, I have prepared it as part of my resources for every of my tutorial on Patreon to take your learning further, so do check it out as well. Before we add any playing patterns, if you are a beginner, I recommend bringing up the chord sheet and just playing each chord once for every change while you sing along with the song. Now this will help you get used to the words and the exact spots where the chords switches. So here's a quick example of how that looks. God is great, give Him all the praise. Hallelujah, name above all names. Fire in His eyes, healing in His veins. Everywhere His glory on display. This was just a short example, but you will want to practice this for the entire song and make sure you know exactly where the chord changes happen. I've made the full chord sheet available on my Patreon for download and printing, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So once you're comfortable with the chord changes, you know where to put your fingers, we can start adding the different patterns for this song. Let's start with our chorus. The playing pattern for our chorus is going to be a both, right, left. For every chord, both, right, left. Okay? Let's start with our chorus. Our D chord, God is an A chord, awesome God, He. E chord, reigns from F sharp minor, heaven above with. D chord, wisdom. A chord, power and love, our. E chord, God is an awesome F sharp minor, God. So when we put it smoothly, it sounds like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Now let's move on to verse 1. We're going to hold every chord. God is D chord, great, give Him all the A chord, praise. Hallelujah, E chord, name above all, F sharp minor, names. Fire in His D chord, eyes, healing in his A chord, veins everywhere his E chord, glory on this F sharp minor, play, take a look at those G chord, stars, he can name them all A chord, before his E chord, throne, every knee falls F sharp minor, the demons have to G chord, run, the angels have to A chord, praise, and E chord, even the winds and F sharp minor, waves obey. And then we move on to chorus. Okay, so let's play verse 1 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. God is great. Give him all the praise. Hallelujah. Name above all names. Fire in his eyes, healing in his veins. Everywhere his glory on display. Take a look at those stars, he can name them all. Before his throne every knee falls. The demons have to run, the angels have to praise. Even the winds and waves obey. Now for verse 2, as the song progresses, we're going to play slightly more. The pattern is going to be a both and right, both and right, both and right, and both and right. For the 4 chords, D, A, E, F sharp minor. So let's try verse 2 slowly. And even when I, G chord, ran, he didn't run A chord, way, he came and put E chord, death back in its F sharp minor, place, Friday honor, G chord, cross, broken for my A chord, shame, Sunday morning, E chord, rose up from that F sharp minor, grave, take a look at those G chord, scars on his hands and feet A chord, he saved our E chord, souls for eternity F sharp minor, worthy is the G chord, lamb, glory to the A chord, king, oh, E chord, let all the saints and the F sharp minor, angels sing. And then we move on to chorus. Okay, let's try verse 2. 1, 2, 3. And even when I ran, he didn't run away. He came and put death back in its place. Friday on a cross, broken for my shame. Sunday morning rose up from that grave. Take a look at those scars on his hands and feet. He saved our souls for eternity. Worthy is the Lamb, glory to the King. Oh, let all the saints and the angels sing our God. Now we move on to chorus again. So for our verse 3, we're going to use back the same pattern for verse 1. We're just going to hold the chords. Eyes on the sky. There will be A chord, day. He will come and E chord, wipe our tears, F sharp minor, way. No more G chord, fear. No more A chord, pain. No more E chord, sorrow, sin, or F sharp minor, shame. The King is G chord, coming back again. A chord, a reign of E chord, love that will never end. F sharp minor, for everything you have D chord, done, and everything you A chord, do, and everything you E chord, are, I'll sing to F sharp minor, you. Okay, so let's try verse 3 smoothly, similar to verse 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Eyes on the sky, there will be a day. He will come and wipe our tears away. No more fear, no more pain, no more sorrow, sin, or shame. The King is coming back again. A reign of love that will never end. For everything you have done, and everything you do, and everything you are, I'll sing to you. Alright, so for our chorus 2, the song leads to a softer playing. So same thing, we're going to hold the chord. Same 4 chords, D, A, E, and F sharp. My, G chord, God, your, and A major chord, awesome, God, your, E chord, great, in, F sharp minor, all you do, I'm, G chord again, made, to, A major chord, worship you, my, E chord, God, you're an awesome, F sharp minor, God. Okay, so let's try chorus 2 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and my God, you're an awesome God. You're great in all you do. I'm made to worship you, my God. You're an awesome God. Alright, let's move on to our chorus 3. Now, this is like the climax of the song, so I'm going to change up the playing pattern a little bit. We're going to play a little bit more. Okay, so for one chord, we're going to have a both right, right, left, right. And then we go to A, both right, right, left, right. E major, both right, right, left, right. And then F sharp minor, both right, right, left, right. D again, both right, right, left, right. And A major, both right, right, left, right. Okay, then we have a half a bar of B minor. We're going to play 2 times on B minor. God is and C sharp minor 2 times. Awesome. And then go back up to our F sharp minor, same pattern. Both right, right, left, right. And then we repeat again. B minor, half a bar. Oh, God is and 2 times on C sharp. Awesome. And then F sharp minor again. Both right, right, left, right. Okay, and for the last one, we're just going to hold on B minor. Oh, God is and C sharp minor, awesome, and then we're back to F sharp minor, gonna hold. Okay, so for the last line, we're gonna hold all the way, B minor, C sharp, and F sharp minor. Let's try chorus 3 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. And that marks the end of the tutorial. Great work today! Now every time you practice, you are getting better and more confident at the piano. If you would like the extra support, I prepared resources like chord sheets, diagrams on my Patreon page to guide your learning further. My next video will be a practice track for this song, so be sure to check that out and practice together with me. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and share so you won't miss what's coming next. Now keep learning, have fun. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.